Hey everyone, we are in beautiful Kejimkujik National Park here in Nova Scotia. Unfortunately without Anastasiia because she was on call, but alas, it's the three amigos and Crow, and it is a beautiful day and we got the kayaks ready to go. Time to go camping.
From the first moment I saw you, I knew I had to make you mine.
All right, canoe, kayak, Lake 1 complete. How was it?
It was great.
You're at campsite 4 with my socks because my socks got wet and my feet got wet and my pants got wet trying to get the kayak canoe over the rocks, but that's okay. All right, let's set up the tent.
Wanted to know everything about you. I didn't want to waste no time. What's something I can do for you, darling, that would make you smile? I'll bring you flowers, girl, enough to see for miles. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. I love your style, and I love your grace. Said I love to put a smile on your pretty little face. I love it when you're close to me. That's where I want you to always be. I didn't know when I found you that I would find a love so true, and you can see it in my eyes. That girl, you've got me hypnotized. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours.
This one's better over a campfire.
It's okay.
Breathe in
background. So it is 10:18 at night, and we are in the tent. I got a little flashlight set up here and going to head to bed. But all I wanted to say is, Nastasiia, I miss you, and I wish you were here camping with me at Keji with Mitchell and Emma, but I understand why you're not. And I just want to say that I love you, and I love you to the moon and the sun and the end of the galaxy and background. And Glenn, I wish you were sleeping with me tonight. Love you so much. Okay, good night. Hopefully, I'll fight off, no, not hopefully, I will fight off any bears that come to intrude our campsite tonight.
Yes, it's so easy with you. Lose track of time as we wander slowly. The afternoon comes and goes. The world could pause and we won't know. I love everything you've done for me. I will never be the same. Easy with you. Yes, it's so easy with you. It's true, I never felt my best, but I see it all begin change. And now each time you go away, you got me feeling some kind of easy with you. Yes, it's so easy with bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. I'm never the same. Whenever you're calling my name, I'm taking my sweet time. Hey. like golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love.